How to create Discord account on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Discord application over here on the search bar. So as you search for the Discord, make sure that you install this application and have the latest updates to the application. So I'm going to tap on open since we do not have any updates. So I'm going to see the option of register or login. Now, since we want to create an account, we have to tap on register. So when you tap on register, you can enter either your email or your phone number. So you have two options. So I'm going to tap on the email ID over here and then tap on next. Here you can select the display name over here. You can use emojis and special characters as well. I'm going to select a very random name over here and then tap on next. As you tap on next, then you just have to enter your password over here. Make it random as well over here and then tap on next again. Then you have to select the date of birth over here. So select the date of birth and then tap on confirm. And as you do that, you agree to your terms of service and privacy policy and just tap on create an account and you'll be able to create a Discord account on Android after you confirm that you are not a robot. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.